Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am making some breakfast this morning again, but guess what I'm making? Farina. Farina. I don't like to hear about it. It's farina. Yes. And plantain. Okay, I'm going to make some porridge. Yes, and these are all my ingredients here. I have 3 milk to go with my porridge. I have the evaporated milk, I have the sweetening milk, and I have a coconut milk. Yes, a coconut milk is right here. Yes, and all these are my little things to go in there. My vanilla, my almond, my nutmeg, my allspice, my cinnamon. My allspice here. And I have my cinnamon leaf. My water is on the fire. And I'm going to go ahead, wash these cinnamon leaf, 3 nice one. I have cinnamon leaf, but I still have cinnamon, no problem. My salt over here, and I'm gonna blend the water, the plantain, my blender over here. Okay, so we just want to thank you for joining this morning. I pray that God may have mercy upon each and every one of us. Help us to be strong and obedient and be kind to one another. In Jesus' name. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to use, I think it's 2 cups of farina with my 2 plantain. Okay, for breakfast this morning. All right, stay with me. Okay, here goes my pot on the fire with my water. Okay, and my cinnamon leaf is in the water. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and peel my plantain. Here, the skin taken off, you have to wash them before you touch them, okay, with your hand. If you don't wash the plantain, when you pick up the plantain to peel it, you have to use your hand, the same one you take up the plantain with. Okay, go ahead and peel my plantain. Lovely plantain, eh, man? Wow. And my farina over here. It's similar to cream of wheat. Probably they're brother and sister. But this is farina. Very nice, and it's not hard to cook. Easy to cook. And the plantain also is not hard to cook. So my breakfast will be ready in no time, okay? Cut them some more for the blender. Drink a cup of these when you go to work. You don't have to worry about lunch. It's filling up. Okay? Here goes my blender. I'm gonna put my banana in my blender, also with my farina. Let them blend together. Smooth better, right? So here. Oh, 2 cups. I don't think I have to blend it enough, all right. Thing in the blender, wow. Let me see what's going on. Sink it in the water. I need some more water. I'm cooking for 6 of us. Okay, so that's why I use 2 cups. So here's my farina and my plantain. Oh, it's pretty. It's pretty. Look, so pretty. Farina and my plantain. Okay, I'm gonna take it out and over here to the pot. I water with my cinnamon stick. So I'm gonna add my farina slowly to my pot, and you have to stir because you don't want this to mess up, right? You're gonna stir it until it gets thick. See pretty? But you have to continue stir because you don't want it to be lumpy. Okay? See it? Nice. When it gets a little thicker, then I add my coconut milk. Okay? And from there, I let it cook for around 20 minutes, 25. My farina is easy to cook, but the plantain, you have to, even the plantain is not hard, but you have to give it some time. Getting very thick, so this looking so nice. Look, so you see it's very thick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my coconut milk to the pot. Okay? Back home in Jamaica, you know, my mama used to give us a cup of this before we go to school. Oh, when lunchtime come and it that seems like we don't hungry. It's only for the whole day. When you're not hungry and learning, it make you learn better. And teacher teaching you, it make you learn better. Look how nice. Look how nice.
Looking so nice.
15 minutes on it, and then evaporated milk, and in the last I put my sweetening milk. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, here's my nutmeg, but it's finished. It look like this when it is it the grater and put in the bottle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grate one. Here's my little grater and my nutmeg. I'm going to grate some to put in my porridge. Okay, just drop back this in here. Okay, so I go over to my pot and I go and add my evaporated milk and spice it up. Okay, it's slowly boiling on the fire. I don't want it to boil. Oh, look how pretty. Look how pretty. Tell me some porridge look good this morning. Yes.
Looking so nice, wifey.
All right, I'm gonna add my nutmeg. I just grated my nutmeg, and this is like a teaspoon of nutmeg. This is my evaporated milk. Yes. Ooh.
Looking rich.
Okay. Gonna put some cinnamon. Cinnamon, because I have the cinnamon leaf in the pot cooking. I'm just gonna put a quarter teaspoon. See it? And this is my allspice. And allspice come with everything too, you know. Nutmeg, cinnamon, everything. I'm just gonna put 1 teaspoonful. It's a lot of porridge, okay?
You're supposed to be nice, guys.
And this is my vanilla. Let me stir this first, because you know, I did want to blend these with my farina and my plantain. See it? Give the porridge a nice look. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Looking good, guys.
And this is my almond. I'm gonna put, and let me put some teaspoons here. For my almond, I'm just gonna put 1 teaspoonful. Yeah, you don't want no more than that. And for my vanilla, you don't have to use a lot of vanilla. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoonful of vanilla. Okay, and for my salt, I put a 1/2 teaspoonful. Stir, and I leave it on the fire for another 10 minutes. Then we can drink. You see how nice it look?
Looking ready to go.
Nice. Nice. Come up minutes and we're ready to go. Okay, look at my porridge. So it come to a boil. I slow. Well, it take me more than 25 minutes. It take me around 30 minutes. You know why? I put it on low because I don't want the pot to burn. Okay, so look at it. Ready to go. You see the steam? Ready to go. So I'm going to sweeten it with my condensed milk. Just it alone. No sugar you'd have to add. Okay, I'm going to put the whole tin of condensed milk here. I got my porridge sweetened and it's ready to go. Nice pot of porridge, right? Bit of taste first. Let's see if it's ready. And it's supposed to ready, right? It's ready to drink. Oh Lord. Okay, so I'm gonna make myself a dish. Okay guys, hey, this is me this morning, not my husband. I am having my breakfast, okay? And this is a lovely bowl of porridge, farina and plantain with 3 milk and all my ingredients. Condensed milk, evaporated milk, and coconut milk. And you can have it with bread, bagel, crackers. You can have it just like this. It's nice. So let me dig into this because I'm hungry. Look, very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Thank you. Guys, try it at home. Don't, because I'm saying it's nice. Just try it. Try it. Try it at home. You don't stop drink this. I told you that you can have it with your crackers. You can have it with your bread, your bagel, your muffin, anything. Just have your porridge. And it's very, very nice. So I want to just thank you for joining with me this morning. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. And thank you, viewer. And I hope and I pray for this year that everybody will be okay and in good health. If you drink all these porridge, you get good health. So thank you very much for watching. And I see you next time. Bye-bye from now. Thank you.